Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of exporting your videos using Olive Video Editor along with some optimal settings for smooth export. To begin with, head on to top left of your screen and click on File. Then click on Export and choose Media, or simply use the control shortcut Ctrl+M. Once on the export page, specify your file destination and customize the file name using the file icon here. For this tutorial, I am keeping it simple with sequence 1. Click OK when you are ready. Now choose your preferred export format. I am going with MPEG 4, but you can explore options like QuickTime and WebM. Now ensure the video option is selected and scroll down a little bit. Adjust the frame rate and opt for 16-bit integer option for quicker rendering without compromising quality. Scroll a bit more to set the codec to H.264. Avoid H.265 as it tends to compress videos excessively, leading to a degraded YouTube upload. In the encode speed, select super fast to balance file size and render time. Avoid ultra fast for large file size or slower render time. Stick to constant rate factor for compression. You can also run export in background using this option over here. For now, I am going to leave this option unchecked. Now you are all set. Click on the export button to initiate the rendering process. That wraps it up for today. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.